We have started our new food innovation. This is Kiymali recipe, and we have placed these all Kiymali material on the top of lavash flatbread, and we would be cooking in our oven. Let's see what would be the result. This is first time we are innovating this new food, and let me show you which bread we are using for the bottom of this Kiymali. This one is the lavash bread. It is ready-made bread. We will add this chili and this garlic as well, and after the cooking I will share you the final result of this Kiymali. So this is new innovation of my mind, so I'm trying it because this time all the bakeries are closed. So let's see how it will be cooked, how it will be worked. So I'm placing these all in the oven. Kiymali is normally made with lot of spices, green chili, tomato, onion, and so much items. So let's see how it will be looking like when we will cook it. This is recipe, we got it directly from the butcher shop. You can see it is lamb, chicken and meat, mix of lamb fat, chicken and meat, and then we will cook it. You can see this is tomato, this is chili and lot of vegetables and spices. They also add some thyme, some mint and some baharatli, what we can say spices as well, the traditional Turkish spices. This is made on Fridays and it's very delicious food. So let's see what would be the result. We have garnished this, we have made garnishing of this Kiymali with onion, with chili, with tomato, with garlic, and then we will place inside the oven. Let's see the result. This is an experiment. Bismillah wa ala barakatillah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So in the next video I will show you the final result of this Kiymali. Or Kiymali is ready. See the crisp, these chilies, tomato, and these all are well cooked. It's so juicy with crispy. We'll try. It looks so yummy. MashaAllah. Let me try it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Amazing.